Great things are rarely achieved alone. If you've got one eye on the next challenge, the Service Plus Success team is the guide by your side. When you're ready to scale the next professional summit, you need an experienced partner. Someone who knows the ropes and understands the terrain. An expert that anticipates the challenges with the agility to adapt to changing conditions to sustainably reach your goal. Whether it's milling, EDM, laser texturing, or additive manufacturing, the entire life cycle of our machining and automation tools helps you reach peak performance. With the latest digital technology, passionate experts, and a global network of competence centers, we can map out the path to becoming better. For us, performance is speed plus excellence, and always returning your investment. We empower you with a full range of services: operational steering, advanced diagnosis, certification, upgrades, training, transformation, and financial solutions. Service plus Success. We take you to new heights.